topic for today is little bites and honest food journaling. My name is Jenny Tackett, and I'm a dietitian with Rock Valley Health. I've been a dietitian for almost 20 years, and one of the big issues that clients that I work with have is underestimating some of the little bites, sips that they take throughout the day, and then keeping a food journal, but not really being honest with it, just remembering those snacks or meals that they have that are planned, but not thinking about all those extra calories that can add up. So we're really going to focus on being honest and really considering everything that you're eating or drinking throughout the day. So here's an example of some little bites that you could take throughout the day or at a party and how much they would add up. So 3 little Hershey's Kisses, perhaps on someone's desk in a candy dish. A spoon of chocolate chips. You just kind of taste test it when you're making cookies with the kids. 5 chips, a handful of caramel popcorn, a couple cubes of cheese, 4 crackers, a bite of fudge, a fun-sized Snickers bar, a handful of peanuts. The total of all these little bites, and these could be bites that people don't even consider as part of their meals during the day, can equal 750 calories. So that can have a big impact on your ability to lose weight. Remember that weight loss is all about balancing the calories you take in and the calories you expend and forming a calorie deficit so that you have less calories coming in or you're burning more calories than you're taking in. Oftentimes you do a little bit of both. So you eat a little bit less, but you move a little bit more, and that allows you to lose weight. These little bites can really sabotage that. So ways to reduce little bites. Be aware of what you eat. So keeping a food journal, whether it's on paper or online, can help you be aware. Make a point to sit down while eating. Don't stand at the kitchen counter. Don't stand at work or in the cafeteria or don't eat while driving. So you're sitting down while driving, but also don't eat mindlessly. So sit down while eating, but also just be eating. I mean, you could be talking to someone, but don't do another activity such as driving, watching television, working on the computer, reading. Make sure to focus on that so that you'll be more mindful and then you'll feel more satisfied. Try not to graze all day long. Don't have food sitting around you that's easy to grab. Eat for hunger, not just for habit. Hydrating yourself and drinking plenty of water can help you feel a bit satisfied and can satisfy your need for hydration. And make a plan for each day. So if you know that there are going to be a lot of temptations during the day, bring healthy food with you. Plan for meals when your evenings are very busy, but don't just try to get through the days when there are a lot of opportunities for splurging. Don't bring treats home. So remember, your home needs to be a haven for healthy eating. If someone offers you treats, you can decline it, you can throw it away, but really try to keep your house clear of all those tempting foods. Keeping a food journal helps many people be more aware and just the act of writing it down, whether or not they're showing it to someone like me, a dietitian or a health coach, just the act of even them seeing it themselves makes it really obvious what they're doing. And then make sure to eat from a plate or a bowl, not from a bag or a box of food. So don't open a box of wheat thins and grab handfuls from there or a bag of chips. Make sure to put a portion on a plate. Again, sit down and focus on that. Maybe have some water with you, some hot tea, something to go along with it to hydrate you as you're eating that meal or snack. So again, I mentioned you have to balance those calories. So it takes 3,500 calories to gain a pound of weight or to lose a pound of weight. So if you had just 100 calories extra every day, that would be 1 pound of weight gain in a month. But on the flip side, by just consistently cutting back 100 calories every day, you would lose a pound in a month. 200 calories a day, 2 pounds. 300 calories a day, 3 pounds. And a lot of us have calories that can be shaved off. And you see with this balancing act, the person with the fruits and the vegetables. So fruits and vegetables are going to satisfy you more with much less calories, but also give you a lot of nutrients and fiber. So here's an example of a food journal that I received, and then what ended up with some further questioning what the person actually ate. So they told me, in general for breakfast, they have a cup of cereal, some fat free skim milk, some blueberries, and black coffee. What they didn't reveal is that in the morning they have a container of almonds at work and they take out about a half a cup, which is an additional 400 calories. Then at lunchtime, they had a whole wheat tortilla with some vegetables, black beans, and an apple. But they also consumed a regular soda around 3 o'clock to kind of perk them up. So that's 20 ounces is 240 additional calories. And they grabbed some chocolate from the candy dish at the office. So that's another 125 calories. Dinner time, salmon, brown rice, salad, vinaigrette dressing, some red wine, but kind of forgot until I, was really asking that they do tend to have a bowl of ice cream before bed, about a cup of ice cream, so 250 calories. So at first, they only reported 12 to 1,300 calories. With those calories, most people could lose weight. In fact, it's kind of low calorie for weight loss. It's pretty restrictive. A lot of times I recommend 1,500 to 1,800 for weight loss, depending on the person's height and weight. But the actual calories consumed when looking further, those nuts, the soda, the chocolate, and the ice cream was 2,200 calories. So that could easily be the reason they're not losing weight. There's a lot of calories there. And then in addition to that, looking at their activity level. So really be honest with yourself. Keep a food journal for a few days. Pinpoint times when you're eating those extra calories. Use something like MyFitnessPal. That's a free website or app for your smartphone. Lose It is another one that's really popular and kind of focuses on weight loss as well. But you first have to be honest with yourself and know that those little additional bites throughout the day can really be the difference in you losing weight successfully or just continuing on and plateauing or having issues throughout the year. So make it a point today to start being honest and make the changes you need. Thanks. Have a great one.